Welcome to another video. It's really great to be so consistent and actually put out videos, but I know it's another video, and today we're going to talk about a skill that I learned called trading. Guys, my name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave, and I'm here on a daily basis to put out video content for you guys in order for you to understand maybe a little bit more about what my daily routine is, what my plan is, and what I'm been doing. So one of the things that I talk about heavily when it comes to marketing, when it comes to anybody who's working with me personally, is learning a skill. Now, not just any skill, guys, learning high income skills. See, the thing is, we study all our lives and we're used to studying all our lives to learn skill sets that we will implement at a workplace or during a specific time of the day, hours, etc., right? Well, the problem with that is, yes, you can implement the skill sets, but when you start to do it in the right way, you are able to then transition from actually being an employee to a non-business owner, right? That's what happens. Now, if you implement those skill sets over a period of time, you become an expert in them. But high income skill sets are two things. Firstly, they give you the skill for a long-term endeavors, long-term journey that you're on, okay? And secondly, it gives you the skill to actually get a higher pay cut, okay? Now, yes, we are about teaching the skill set in trading. In fact, I use icoinpro, guys. You can see I'm on the website itself. I'm not hiding anything at all. I use my icoinpro and the micro profit system to learn about trading. I had no idea about it before this. Um, I used to stay away from anything with regards to trading or stuff like that. But now, with a simple system like this, I'm much more in control of what exactly I want to do. So I'm gonna just tell you, it's the micro profit system has been over a year actually, maybe now exactly a year and 2 months that I've been using it, and it has helped me learn this skill set of trading to open my eyes to so much of possibility. And actually, it's been a tremendous year. So I really wanted to just share in this video a little bit more about what you see when you go on the main website. I'm definitely not going to show you the products because you got to be a paid member to see the products, right? The material of it. I mean, it wouldn't be fair for all the people who are paying for the membership that I just showed all the products for free. It would go literally against my ethics as well, my work ethics. Anyway, one of the things I wanted to explain is that when you go on the main website of icoinpro, you see something on the end of the screen as you see right now, and it says here are some of the trades our system recently found. Now what this basically means is that the micro profit system has a logic behind it. It's not something just made up and you just go about and buy low, sell high, etc. There is a logic to it, and we created a tool called the trade finder that looks for trades according to the parameters, or according to the logic behind the micro profit system. So it thinks for us, and it alerts us of possible trades. Now obviously, you as a human being, you can take the final decision whether you want to risk the trade or not. So here are some trades recently found. These were what was found and what could be your potential profit if you went in and traded right till the end. Now, as you can see, there was one who showed, well, right now, this one, for example, is showing 128% and now 130%. These are winning trades. Yes, but would I go right and make it a complete 120% winning trade? No, I would not. Honestly, I would come out at, because I don't want to be greedy, I would come out at around, depending on what I would like, maybe around 2 or 3%, because I follow the micro profit system. So even though the trades can be higher, I prefer to work on micro profits and have a daily payout rather than risking. That's one of the first things when traders risk everything, that they go for the high numbers. So I'd rather, focus on the smaller numbers, is 1.5, 2.5, 3.5% potential wins, rather than going for the big ones right there. And all of these wins, if you have a good enough quantity of what your trading budget is, you can really work your way up. Another reason why is because it is completely an education, as I said, an education on cryptocurrency, from the basics to the most complicated things, are all explained here in icoinpro. So it's a one-stop shop for me. I go here and that's it. But it's also been a very, very beneficial tool for the people who have joined me in business. And I tell them, for example, my instant cash paying business, I ask them to pay me via Bitcoin, and some of them don't even have a cryptocurrency wallet. So I send them and I say, hey, maybe if you want to learn a little bit more about cryptocurrency and how you can pay me and stuff like that, this is how you do it. But I would suggest you to get this product right here. It's a membership of $100 per month, and you get to learn a skill set, you get to use it, you get to learn more about cryptocurrency. That's up to you. Or you can spend hours and hours and hours and hours a day on YouTube and every other video channel, looking for methods. And in fact, maybe that's one of the reasons why you came across this video on YouTube, is because you were looking for a way to learn something about trading. Well, let me tell you that there's no need to look further. You can just simply look at icoinpro and focus on that. Now what I'm going to do is, guys, the micro profit system is done in a very simple manner. And in fact, I myself, even though I've been trading every single day since a year and been doing really well with it, I have not even gone through everything that's there in the micro profit system. So just to give you an idea, these are like the 5 modules now we have right here, and I've literally done the first 2. The rest are all, excuse me, it's okay, I'm doing this video a bit late, guys, so sorry about the yawning and stuff like that. But what I'm trying to say is, like, I'm very authentic in my videos, so I don't cut out these kind of details. But as I said, they've been doing the first 2 modules I have complete control of. The other modules I'm still figuring out. After a year. I haven't had the time to go through it in depth, but that doesn't mean I stop trading. So even with just the first 2 strategies, you can go miles and miles above the rest. It's cut above the rest, literally. I'm not going to show you all the other advanced training that's there here, but definitely the micro profit system, with all the tools that we have calculated, guys. We have profit and long tracking suites, we have calculators right here, we have ladder buying calculators, which is another added feature. We have the trade finder itself, the tools, the strategies, the calculators that we have here, the boot camps that we have here, the affiliate training that we have here is amazing. And in fact, that's one of the reasons why you see so many people at every single point of time. Look how many people are consistently getting signed up as pre-enrollees. So I really suggest you to have your thinking cap on for a second and ask yourself, do you want to learn how to trade? Do you want to learn a skill set that has helped me for the last 1 year? I'm sharing with you this video because the micro profit system has done a lot for me, and I would like to share it with you as well. Added to which, if you do join icoinpro and you would like to be a distributor, which basically means that you would like to also be an affiliate of icoinpro, then I'm going to do even something more for you. If that's the case and you join me, we're going to go ahead and see how suitable it is for you to set up a funnel, my funnel that I use, to be able to actually start promoting it and use the same strategies that I do in order for you to generate sales on the affiliate side. But that's just a bonus. You don't need it. I would use this product without even recruiting. In fact, I don't mind not recruiting with it, because I'm literally an icoinpro member for life because of what they've given me. That's said on video, and I have no shame of saying it. Okay. Very, very ethical marketers, very, very ethical product, very, very ethical way of going forward. So if you are interested, or if you resonated with anything that I had to say just now about the micro profit system, there's going to be a link only to the micro profit system down in the description. Please click on it, get understand what it is when it comes to the training and everything else. And I'm going to see you on the inside. Okay, until then, guys, keep paving the way for your dreams to come true, and I'm going to see you tomorrow for another video.